Kementeri Kekuat Kekyak, Kokong Amperin Lingdo, Hakasngi Palay Jong Katayau, Kala Pentip, Baki Sorkar Jela, Kala Betha Ikatanat Kekuat Kekyak, Ban Penlong Ya Kejing Tohkit, halor jingkynnoh, Baka Ganeshdas Hospital, Kala Lek Torti, Ya Kawai Ka longkmie, Kabawan Kakalung. Habayakran bat kinong patay kubor kakong amperin lingdo kala penpaw ya kejing susi halo kejing klat no ikunlung jong kakong paltima rani ya kabaki bahaying kilara no ini ikunlung na Ganeshdas Hospital ban Phah sumar no Hanasurat Hospital handrai hakajan mi jong kesingi hat majai ila klat no kibahaying bahasem bat kumju kibor shnong kila kenno bakijing klat jong ini kunlung kadai tang na kejing le torti kino sumar ha Ganeshdas Hospital. Kakong amperin kala pentip baka sorkar kala betha ban penlong ya kejing tohkit halor jingkynnoh sumar torti ke Ganeshdas Hospital ya ka longkmie kabawan kakun da kejing i yau ternya haka kepo jongka bat kumju ru ya kejing klatno ikunlung na kejing bomdon kabor ring mensim. Kakong amperin kala ong baka tenat kan sa tohkit banyak ya kini jingkynnoh bat kan sale ya ka badan kam. Haka bedai bak kejing dawa ban siu ya ka bailut kesan ya ka longkmie ka baladu no ya ikun kementeri sorkar kala ong baya mentahi kampat la ban keren halo kan kejing dawa bat kejing siu ya ka bailut kesan kan long tang hadirin balalap bak don shisha kejing le torti na kenong sumar jong ka hospital sorkar.
Barok ngi mede kita ki doktor ki ba sungthu ya ka jing don kam haka por ba kha ya ki kelong la ne por ba ki pen kha khalung ye ki kme ngi kum ka government hi ni sngo ba ka banding kong ka bangiri ban le ban long ba ai ye ki kme but iki khun un ban sakha ya kata ka opportunity bakin remain healthy bakin long ki pakot ki bakya but bakin yo ya ka fair chance to life te ka ka baja Ganeshdas man hakani kam de ka jingja ka ba kani ka procedure kadai tang na kabenta ini we brio ini we keme kadai ka rukong pen khakon ka baju ka ki jule barabor tambakum baka julong hi 1 out of 100 times ki jakum kini ki cinca but she sen baka Ganeshdas ka yo iba kamdon ya kata ka facility ban pet ba ya ita ikme on penmi wut na kata ka jingma te ki ju Phah refer no yaki shaka higher facility but kilale ya kata la Phah no yi Negligence hakabaki don kita ki machines ki balapan yarap wut ini kimi tambah ka bandingkong ka baka Ganeshdas kalale kalong kapen sange ya kata ka jingdu snam ju inte kimi kata kalong ban make sure ba the mother survives ikme tikilale ya kata ban ngada sngusi shisha balado no ya kajing imjung ibi kelong henry nginya chakmat da kata ka jingdon jingshania ha ki hospital la jong I will go and I will express my sense of deep loss to the parent themselves, and I look forward that situations like this should not happen. And we are going to be improving our facilities to ensure that these errors, if at all an error occurred, does not happen. I have also insisted on an inquiry at the level of the MI, and I hope that the MI will take this incident seriously and will ensure that the patient party and the people at large feel a sense of reassurance that it was something that has happened. We regret. We will ensure that henceforth these kinds of situations do not occur again. So if there is no satisfaction to this, then we will study it at a later part. But at this point of time, this is what I need to say to clarify that compensations will only be followed if there has been a gross lapse of responsibility by the medical team. I will further review this matter, but as of today, this is the information I have at hand, and I can only go by what I have at hand.
Hakabede bakajing sakan tat kinong snaplim bapawnam kejala uba Pradip Kurba bat Dominic Sangma kibadan hapo kakenhun fraternity art cine entertainment Shillong bani yashembanta Hakakans Film Festival na kalyang Kementri Ketunat Information and Public Relations IPR kakong amprin lingdo kalayatu bakarai ban mencuri kekerteng jongki armut kibrio bani yashembanta Hakakans Film Festival kabanlong menta ubenai kadai kabalarai da Ministry of Information and Broadcasting jong ka sorkar pedeng. Ka Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR kalapha ekakerteng jong ba Pradip Kurba bat Dominic Sangma sa ka sorkar pedeng ban mi khamat ekajalla hakatay ka film festival. Henry kalami sakaway katup kerteng hakabalapha ekakerteng jong ba Commander Shangpliang ubalong President ka Meghalaya Filmmakers Association me filma bat uba Nicholas Kharkongor sa ka Ministry ban mi khamat iaka Meghalaya sa ka Cannes Film Festival. Kakong amperin kalaong baka sorkar jala kamla ban le AA namar baka dayhi ka sorkar pedeng kabala jit bat beteng kaya kibrio kiban le mi khamat haka Film Festival.
To the state of Meghalaya. A communication was sent to the directorate to express willingness to send 2 representatives from the state of Meghalaya to the Cannes Festival. But before the department had finalized the names, the ministry themselves, through whatever source, have finalized the names of 2 individuals to represent the state of Meghalaya to the Cannes Festival. Here as well, I would like to request all concerned that unfortunately we would have sent more people, but more people could not have gone. We only could send 2, but I'm sure there will be opportunities in the near future where others will also have the opportunity to go to such festivals and interact with international personnel and personalities and improve the film industry in the state of Meghalaya. The end result of such a participation is go, get the exposure, learn from what others are doing, come back to the state, generate this same spirit of excellence and generate a situation where one day Meghalaya will also be a producer of such quality films. We had to decide whether filmmakers themselves will go or whether they would be represented by somebody who has already conducted a film festival in the state of Meghalaya. So I think that happened only because of that. We wanted to send filmmakers. Ministry has already got 2 names of 2 individuals who were likely participated actively in a recent film festival that occurred in the state of Meghalaya. I would like to leave it at that and appeal to all that we will give everybody an opportunity in the next chance that comes.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about uterine fibroid, uterine myomas, or what commonly we call uterine tumors. What are uterine tumors? Actually, these tumors are a growth or excessive growth of the uterine muscle. So they could be single or multiple in the uterus. But the question is, are all uterine fibroids causing female infertility? The answer is no. So if you get a report of ultrasonography showing a uterine fibroid in your uterus, don't get panic. Try to get a consultation with a fertility specialist to know is the tumor or the tumors affecting your fertility, and then have a discussion regarding the fertility enhancing surgery to get removed of these tumors. So in this video, we are trying to discuss about the fertility enhancing surgery regarding uterine myomas. So how these uterine myomas affect your fertility? These tumors actually distort the path of natural conception. So during the process of fertilization, when the path is distorted, the implantation of pregnancy is hampered because of these tumors. So the chances of conception, and after conception, the chances of miscarriages rate is increased. So in this procedure of laparoscopic myomectomy, we make a few pinholes in your abdomen, and through those pinholes we could remove a very large tumor or multiple tumors, cutting the fibroid into strips and removing them through the holes as strips of tissue. Now if you ask me the advantages of this procedure, so with this procedure we could discharge the patient in 24 hours as there is minimal or no blood loss. There are no stitches in your abdomen as we don't cut the abdomen, because with only the pinholes we are removing the tumor. Second, as the path of distortion, the path of fertility is cleared, so natural conception is possible within 3 to 6 months. Also, the rate of miscarriage is severely reduced after the surgery. As the blood loss is very minimal, so the symptoms of weakness or dizziness after the operation is very less. So if you want to know more about the laparoscopic myomectomy, you can surely contact us. We will try to help you. Thank you.